Wow, guys, I think you don't need a brow lamination after this. Hey everyone, welcome to another video. I am Haja, a passionate makeup artist who likes to update you about makeup and beauty hacks, tips and tricks, and product reviews. In today's video, we're going for a product review and at the same time a mini brow tutorial. The product we have got today is the Got2B brow gel, which is going viral on the internet because it is not only affordable, but it works as good as the high-end ones, if not even better. So how about finding out whether it is worth the hype and learn how to apply fluffy laminated brows? Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, this is the product. It comes in a yellow-black package and it says Kleber on it, which means glue translated into English. It's a German word. And it says for brows and edges, 2-in-1 styling gel for brows and edges, strong hold. Yeah, basically it's not only for the brows, it's also for fixing the baby hairs, the edges. So the back package, it's all in German, but I will sum it up. Bring your eyebrows in shape and give them some contour really effortlessly, and it will stay like that the whole day. They promise it. And it also says that it is dermatologically tested and, as mentioned previously, vegan. Okay, so this is interesting. The instructions. It says don't use it on your lashes. Good to know. It comes in a tube, just like mascara, and it has a wand, just like mascara. But the wand is a little different and it is described how to use the wand correctly. I will tell you according to the instructions. So the gel is clear. You basically can't see anything on the camera, but yeah, it's clear. It's a fixing gel. So I will smell it and see how it smells. It smells actually nice. It doesn't smell like glue. It smells like hair gel, a good perfumed hair gel. So let's see how it feels on the skin. It feels a little, well, I don't know if you can see this, but it feels a little sticky. So we let it dry and then we'll see how it feels then on the skin. So according to the instructions, what you need to do is to apply the product with the curved side or with the wide side as described in German. And with the narrow or the bottom straight side, you start to style the hair. So that is what we're basically going to do next. Now back to the product on the skin. It is dry now and I don't know if you can see it, but it is a little shiny now on the skin, but there is no stickiness or any feeling of like heaviness or oil or anything. It just looks kind of shiny. So yeah, that's also a good thing, I think, because I don't like the feeling of glue on my skin. So this is a plus as well. Another important thing, if you deal with sensitive skin, then make sure you do a skin patch test before applying it actually to your face, as you never know how your skin might react to it. So maybe do the skin patch test like somewhere in your inner elbow where you basically can see it if there is any reaction. Yeah, just do that before to make sure it's safe for you. So before applying the product, I want to fill in my brows with a brow pomade by Benefit Cosmetics. I'm using the brow brush or brow ingot brush by Alpha Makeup. It's, by the way, from my own brand brush set. By the way, if you're interested in a fancy makeup brush set, I have my own brand Alpha Makeup brush set linked down below in the description box. So we're going to start with filling in the brows. I'm going to zoom in I apply hair-like strokes and follow the hair growth direction of my brows while applying the small strokes. Begin with the application right at the beginning of your brow, as the brows look fuller in the beginning. I do not apply a lot of strokes, otherwise it might end up looking too dark and unnatural. Once I have applied enough hair strokes, I brush my brow hairs again in hair growth direction to blend the strokes in with my natural brow hairs. I do not reshape my brows, I just follow the natural shape of my brow and add a stroke here and there to make it appear fuller. I personally deal with gaps mainly in my arc up until the tail of my brow. That is why I focus more on filling those parts. You can apply the brow gel on its own without applying any brow product before, but as I want my brows to look fuller, I filled them in. So if you have fully brows already, then congratulations! You can skip this step and start right away applying the brow gel. The brow gel works like a brow lamination, which lifts the brows and makes them stick onto your skin and stay fixed so that they do not move around once they are fixed. It also makes each brow hair look defined, which make the brows look like they are naturally fluffy and thick. Apply a normal amount of gel on your brows while combing in the hair growth direction of the brows. I like to comb the beginning of my brows upwards towards my forehead, and the closer I get to my arc, I comb towards my temples. Once you're done, let it dry well before proceeding to any other step. You can compare it to the other brow. It's much thinner. I mean, this one was already a little thinner than the other one. Nevertheless, it looks more defined and just better. I want to remind you to always keep the wand clean, otherwise the brow product that we have applied previously might get into the product itself in the tube and get mixed, and that is how the product will lose its effect over time. That is why make sure to clean it before you go into the tube again. What I also wanted to try is, it says it's for the brows and the baby hairs, so I really have some disturbing baby hairs here, and I'm going to kind of comb them outwards of my face to see whether they calm the shit down. Because they're always messy, and I never do that actually. I've never done it with gel before, but maybe I should start doing it. And what I have to add is that this beats this. This is the Benefits 24 Hours Brow Setter, and this is the Got2B Brow Gel. And I'm sorry, Benefit. I really love you and still do. You have great brow products, but this one, for its price, you get this for 6 euros and you get this for 28 euros here in Germany. And yeah, price-wise, the winner, and also effect-wise, I really have to say, maybe I should shoot a comparison video, this versus this. If you're interested, comment down below in the comment section. But to me, I've been using this like for over a year now. I really like it, but I think not only because of the price, this one is like the bomb. It looks so much better. You know, with this one you get your brows like fixed, and they do move every now and then, and that is the point what we're going to test next. Because this looks like it has a great hold. Up until now it is really stiff, but it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on your skin. but I want to see whether my brow hairs move throughout the day. So what I'm going to do now is say bye for now and come back to you later after a few hours, because that is when I see some changes on my brows using the Benefit Brow Setter. Like I have like here at the end, the tail of my brows start to move around, and that's when I think like, why isn't it fixed? It says 24 hours, right? So this one gave us the same promise. It didn't say 24 hours, but it said the whole day. So what I have to do next is to record a video and edit a video. So I will come back to you guys like in 8 hours. That is basically how long a working day should be, right? So this is basically also how long your brows should be fixed. And that is why I will come back to you very soon. I hope this loud noise in the background didn't disturb you too much. I'm sorry for it. I don't know what they're doing in the garden. Thank you very much for your patience, and see you later. Bye bye. So guys, I'm back with my eye makeup on from the upcoming tutorial that you definitely need to watch. So this is basically the result after 7 to 8 hours, and I really think it looks nice. Nothing has changed since then, not even a brow hair has moved or anything, and I didn't need to do any retouch. It's really firm, and yeah, it has a strong hold, and I'm happy with it. Now, what are your thoughts? I really like this product, and I think it is worth every penny. Plus, it is the perfect dupe to other expensive brands. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this honest product review / mini brow tutorial and could learn something new, as well as decide whether you want to purchase this nice, beautiful Got2B product. I have put down the purchase link in the description box and would like to remind you kindly to like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content in the future.